Wednesday and I received my packages. 7 Hey guys, welcome back to another video from your see the face and hear the voice and one official tip on the app. So today I'm gonna do unboxing for some items I purchased on Amazon. One Facey Logistics every time, guys. I ordered these stuff on the 29th of July. I'm gonna insert the order date here, and it reached the shipping company, which is Facey Logistics, on Monday. Today is Wednesday and I received my packages. 7 days and I got my item. And the reason for it to reach on the Monday is because I ordered it over the weekend. Had it not been on the weekend, it would have reached in 3 days. So guys, if you're not shipping with Facey Logistics, you're not saying nothing. So I'm gonna open up my package for you to see what I got. Well, it's mainly stuff for the baby, I think. And as you already know, at 1 p.m. I use Paym to cash out my items in my Amazon cart. Guys, if you're not using Paym, you're not saying nothing. Go over to them Instagram page and you see all of the sweet deal. You buy now, pay later. Alright, so my first item is what I would call it formula compartment. So guys, I'll go to the shop in the night with the baby. I don't want to struggle with the big tin of feeding in the bag. So what I do is I purchase one of these so that I can put the feeding in there. So what I would do is put feeding, cereal, feeding, cereal, and then stack everything. Stack everything and just put it to the side. Oh, convenient. You guys, I not have to struggle with the feeding, the cereal and everything for carry go to a shop or for go anywhere where me I go. And when I go I'm granny, I just send this. Oh guys, it came with 2. I'm gonna insert the price right here for the 2. Next up on the list is our pacifier cover. Them bigger than me expect. Guys, if you don't know me, you know I have one Suda baby. This come with 2 as well. I'm gonna insert the price for them. So this for cover him susu while him have it, like you know when him have the string and him not get the susu right away. And this now for carry it. So I'm gonna put it in the bag, zip it. It came with 2. I'm gonna insert the price right here for both of them. So these are some floss. I think $1 for them. I had like $2 remaining from the gift card that I purchased on Amazon using Paym. So I just put these so that I could check out all of the money one time. So it's 2-in-1 floss and pick and some scrunchy looking thing. Alright guys, now for the big dog. I told you everything in the package is for Kevin. Okay, so for the mummies like myself, oh, this looks like a two so oh, stuck. So whenever you call the baby bottles, you want not to tuck them away. So this is like a storage container for the baby bottle. It's a stack of them. It comes with about 4, I think, or 6. I am going to assemble it and show you how it is. Okay, so this is the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Take you farther than Mexico. Yeah, yeah. You still got niggas hard pressed to you though. I know you, shorty.